Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we will have about first derivative of 3x on numerator over 1 plus everything 3x to the power of number 2. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. First derivative of 3x we have number 3. This one we have 9x squared. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we can find the value of u, so u equals to number 1. When s equals to the square root of number 3 over number 3, so we put this one cone here to find the value of u, so u equals to b over 3 plus 1. So this one we change by u. dx over this one we change by du over number 3. Number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So this one that should be like this. So I will put number 2 cone here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. And now we put the bounds from number 1 to b over 3 plus 1. And now we have the final answer. Number 3 and number 3 we have number 9. Minus 1 over 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.